if you see Indian machine tool industry, how do we select machines is the product, performance, precision, and last comes the price. Okay, upfront capital cost is not a question. Value proposition, what value addition you can give. That is how LMW works. Maybe upfront cost is a little bit higher compared to competitors or anybody, but over a period of time, it gives pays you back faster. Okay, the customer, we educate customer in terms of what is the precision, what is life cycle management for this product. So that is all the things which we customer has to consider. It is not just one price.